Good evening. It is in East Africa that we have newly commissioned a Blue Elephant CNC machine. Yes, and I have my friend here, Mr. Fan. Mr. Fan just came. He's like 4 or 5 days. Yeah. So it's born worldwide. All right. Blue Elephant now in East Africa. All right. Newly commissioned. Yeah. The structure is so new. And then we have a tested work design. We have newly tested design, really, now in SolidWorks. If you look at it, all the lines are there. Everything is clean. We also have some cut pieces. We have a sample piece. Yeah. Which we are just we're doing this as well. Sample. Yeah. Yeah. We did a rough one, then we got a fine one.